Well, New Year's Eve is coming up, and we're celebrating with bold colors and sparkle. Let's draw a disco ball cupcake with Posca markers. So we're going to be drawing using some forms today. So I'm going to draw 2 dots and a foreshortened circle. And this is going to be getting the cylinder for the base of our cupcake. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 lines that taper down. That means they get closer together at the bottom. And some people draw a straight line across, but look at this. Curve the line down. Match the lip. Try to match those curves. Just want the base of that cupcake to curve down. I'm going to be drawing some lines that curve up for the cupcake liner. And now the lines for the liner. So just curving line up. This is just going to create the basic size and shape of the top of this cupcake. This is a construction line right here. I'm going to go ahead and erase out now. And I hope you guys are enjoying the festive soundtrack today. So right at the top here, I'm going to go ahead and create the shape for the cherry. I'm going to go ahead and curve a line down. And then I'm going to start drawing these 2 lines up for the stem. Draw a little oval at the top. Yeah, I think this frosting is officially ready to count down on New Year's Eve. So on the left-hand side, you can see I'm curving these lines out to the left. And this is just an example of how you can start off with a basic shape and then begin to change the outline of it. Now on the right-hand side, we're going to go ahead and curve these lines out to the right. Get to color in a million squares today. Every little square is like a tiny dance move. All right, so we're going to go ahead and draw in the eyes. We're doing this chibi style today, so big eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and place 2 white highlights, one larger, and I'll also draw one smaller. And you can see I'm shading in part of the eye. And that white part will be colored in with the eye color. Add a few triangular shapes for eyelashes. Well, I guess if you're drawing along, you're already invited to the party. So we're going to go ahead and once again repeat the same steps. 2 white dots. Once again, I'm going to shade in this part of the eye. Add in some little rosy cheeks. And chibis are known for having big eyes and small mouths. So we're going to draw a tiny little mouth. Well, if this cupcake could talk, it would say Happy New Year. And of course, we've got to make it drippy. Just using some wavy lines, staying underneath the eyes and the mouth here. Just a little bit of overlapping. So now it drips over the top of the cupcake liner. Now I'm going to go ahead and start curving some lines down. So these are called cross contour lines. They curve around the form, and it's going to make our cupcake appear to be more three-dimensional. So these cross contour lines are also important because that's how you create the disco ball effect. You got to be able to create cross contour lines, and then obviously we're going to be using multiple colors in our color palette. So when I teach you how to draw cylinders, I say, hey, let's match the top, right? Well, you see this curve here on the left-hand side? We're curving these lines out to the left. So we're matching those curves. I'm going to go ahead and continue to do that, curving these lines out to the left. And then once we start getting near the center, then the line will just go straight down the center of the face. And then we're going to switch now to where these lines will curve out to the right, just like the right side of the cupcake. All right, well, I think our cupcake is about ready to hit the dance floor. What do you think? So now's a good time to go ahead and make any adjustments to your work. You can obviously clean up any construction lines. I'm going with the Faber 1.5 today for outlining. I switch over to this from the Sharpie marker. I just like the outlining a little bit better with this one. And then with the lines for the disco ball, I'm going in with a ultrafine point sharp. So you can see I'm going in with the red, dark red. I'll hit it with some white. And then when you're doing the disco ball effect, pick maybe 6 or 7 colors. And if you want, you could use value. So you see with the yellow green, I added yellow in the center. And you can see I'm using 2 shades of pink. Adding a little highlight sometimes inside the center of them. And I have not just the pastel colors that are tinted, I'm also just using colors that are not tinted, a little bit darker. And so you guys can determine your own color palette that you want to use. I'm basically just using the Posca paint marker color palette today. But obviously this could be done with alcohol-based markers or anything that you have. Now for the actual cake of the cupcake that we can see, I've got brown and I've got the cacao brown. And then I'm going in with the hot pink, light pink. And I'll be going in with some fuchsia and white also for the cupcake liner. Well, guys, and that's our disco ball cupcake. Well, if you had fun drawing with me, hit subscribe and let's keep creating all year long. Well, Happy New Year.